Hello everyone. It's 4:35 in the morning and I am not a morning person. So I can't pretend to be happy at this hour, but I'm excited for the train journey. So yay. I can't even recall when was the last time I traveled by a train. This feeling of waiting on a platform, having platform tea, and then looking outside the window of the train and seeing the poles, the fields just pass by. I can totally recall my childhood. It used to feel so good. Since we got up really early, so I slept the moment I got on the train. And this is me after sleeping for like 4 hours or 5 hours, I guess. And we are just about to reach our destination in 1 hour. We are traveling from Tejas Express. Now it's India's first private train and it's fully air conditioned. They provide you food in the train. The food is pretty good, average, I would say. And it was newly launched in 2019, this Lucknow to Delhi route. We took our train from Lucknow and reached Ghaziabad, and from there we left for Rishikesh.
Hello guys, this is Kritika Rai and I welcome you back to my channel. So this is another travel vlog and we are traveling to
Rishikesh, also known as the place of sagas and the yoga capital of the world. We stopped at Namaste Midway, which is on NH 58 Delhi Haridwar highway. If you are traveling from Delhi to Haridwar or Rishikesh, then this is a good stop because there are several options from KFC, Starbucks, food chart corners, bars to restaurants which serve clean, hygienic food. We liked the food here, so if you're traveling on NH58, then this is a really good stop option for your lunch, dinner, or your takeaways. Totally recommending this place. I am going to Rishikesh with my college friend and our husbands, and I'm so excited for the trip. We are just there for like 2 nights. Yes, it's a very short trip, but I'll make sure that I explore most of the places and recommend you some new and undiscovered locations. I enjoy road trips and I'm traveling to hills after 3 years. Yes, 3 long years. So my energy is at literally next level at moment. Stay tuned with me throughout this video. I hope this video helps you in your next road trip to Rishikesh.
From Ghaziabad, we came to Rishikesh by car. It was a 4.5 hours drive, including like 40 minutes of lunch. And the hotel we are staying at is Kumber Residency, which is not a 5-star or something, but the view from here is totally worth it. And
This is the view, and I'm standing really close to the edges, so it might not be as clear as it is to my eyes, but it's really nice and I'm so excited to stay here. Now we are going to have some food and we are at Lakshman Jhula. This Jhula, you guys, it's a bridge and it literally shakes when you move on it, and it was so windy out here. It was a totally different vibe. This small beach was near our hotel and spent such a peaceful time here. This ended our day perfectly. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Good morning, you all. Today is the only day that I have with me, so we got up really early before the sunrise to explore more of Rishikesh. And as the sun goes up, the sun rays fall on the mountains, and the view was completely, I was completely spellbound. I really missed the mountains. 20 minutes away from Lakshman Jhula, towards the Shivpuri, we found a waterfall, so we stopped our car here and enjoyed this place for some time before moving ahead.
It is not very cold, but as I told you yesterday, it's pretty windy. There are my friends chilling up there.
Rishikesh has several beaches with white sand and water flowing by and people rafting over there, and it's a scenic beauty to watch. One such beach that we found was Goa Beach. It is 15 kilometers away from Lakshman Jhula and like 18 minutes of drive, and it's totally worth going.
Guys, I'm having an incredible time. The weather is so right. It's not very cold. It's not very windy. It's just appropriate. And we are now going to the Goa beach. इसे कहते हैं Rishikesh का Goa. Yeah, that's what the the local people told us. And the sand is totally white, and the water is so clear. Let me go nearby and show it to you.
The water here was freezing and I dared to go barefoot. I mean, oh my god, it was so cold. But guys, this beach is totally recommended. You can come here. It's not very, empty. So it's safe also, and it is not very crowded. So it's equally peaceful to be here. We stayed here for like 2 hours or a little bit more, and was totally full, totally like satisfied with this trip at this moment itself. Now it was time for our breakfast, and we all were starving like anything, so we moved towards our hotel, and in between we found Bistro Nirvana. Bistro Nirvana is 1.4 kilometers away from Lakshman Jhula, which is almost 7 to 10 minutes of drive. And the vibe of the place, the food, the location, everything was so good. We reached there around 10:15. It was morning, so the place was empty, but I've heard that it always stays occupied. If you are visiting Rishikesh, you won't regret trying out this place because the food is good here, the staff are courteous, and the ambience is like so peaceful. We ordered aloo parathas and fruit salad. I ordered banana pancakes for myself, and instead of it, they served me crepes, which were, because it's a pancake family and it was tasty, so I was absolutely okay with that. Rest, if you are coming to Rishikesh, do check this place out and let me know if you liked it or not. I recommend this one.
Let me give you a quick room tour.
Our room was clean and good, providing us all the basic necessities.
The view here is worth it. This is our balcony, which is again a pretty small balcony. Very minimal. But just look at the view. Lakshman Jhula, and this is a 13th floor temple which is also known as Trimbakeshwar. such a divine time here. And I can hear a live performance near our hotel. The person is playing flute. So if you can imagine the whole scenario, it's so divine. I can't get over it. You can hear Hanuman Chalisa from one Met temple, and there is a live flute show that's going on. So even if you don't go anywhere in Rishikesh and you are sitting at the ghat just near by the Ganga, it's more than enough, trust me. You don't need to explore each and every place there. It's just being here in the moment, just near any ghat, it's just more than enough, trust me. I'll just turn the camera again for you to see the divine view that I have.
After the aarti ended, we both spent 15-20 minutes watching the sunset. It was that good here. And then I was all set to hit the Rishikesh market.
So this is a sound bowl, and I'm somewhere drawn towards spirituality. So when I saw this, I've seen these bowls playing on YouTube. So when I saw this really caught my attention, and I did practice it for a few times, and now let me show you if I can play it or not. These bowls, they not only produce a sound, they also produce some kind of vibrations, which I can feel on the palm of my hand. Keep the bowl on your palm. The grip needs to be really firm, and then you have to bang, and when I'm doing this, I can feel some vibrations on my palm. I am going to take one of these home for sure. I'm so impressed. These are some solid perfumes, and see there are varieties: rose, Indian beauty, lavender.
Rishikesh market has a lot to offer. Like I bought few shawls from here, a ponchu. Then there were so many different type of crystal stores. I bought some crystals also. Also I found a store which was offering and showing me the difference between the online found gua shas and the real gua shas that are good for our skin. So one of them was this.
ऑनलाइन कैसे?
ऑनलाइन जैसे आप फ्लिपकार्ट अमेजोन वगैरह से लेते हैं तो वो 200-250 रुपीज का आपको इजीली मिल जाता है। इवन आपको रोलर्स तो, बट वो फाइबर होता है, वो आपको नेचुरल जेमस्टोन नहीं होता। ये जेमस्टोन नेचुरल जेमस्टोन है।
तो कैसे पता चलता है कि दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस है?
मैम आप देखिए, जैसे अगर आप इसको दोनों का अगर हम करेंगे ना, अब एकदम प्रॉपर स्टोन वाली आवाज आ रही है। आप उनको करोगे ना तो नहीं आएगी ऐसी आवाज, वो फाइबर वाली आवाज आती है। 100 रुपए में उसका रोलर मिल जाता है बाजार में।
तो आपके यहाँ ये कितने की है?
हमारे में 500 रुपीज का गुआशा है। अगर आप सेट
His Instagram account and phone number will be linked in the description box. Along with a lot of memories from Rishikesh, I bagged some really nice, amazing stuff for me and my loved ones from Rishikesh. The market is exciting and fun, so make sure to check it out when you are in Rishikesh.
Hi guys, we are here to have Maggi. It's almost 11:15 at night and it is getting very cold now. I mean, I don't know what is very cold for you because I am from Kolkata and almost 12 degrees is pretty cold for me. भैया आपने 2 मैगी मसाले डाले? और
2 डाले, 1 एक्स्ट्रा भी डाले।
ओह ठीक है, चलिए, थैंक यू। और
Sipping my last cup of tea in Rishikesh. Yes, it's time to go till we come again here. It was a very short trip, but I had like such an alive time after 3 years in the hills. If you are coming to Rishikesh next time, I hope some of my recommendations can add fun and excitement to your journey. Till then, see you in my next vlog. Take care. Bye.